Nspeak Digital Automatic School Bell. This is an intelligent embedded computer-based device that makes the task of generating end-of-period bells very easy. The Nspeak Digital Automatic School Bell comes with a built-in time of the day electronic real-time clock that can be programmed to keep track of time. The device allows programming of a timetable, based on which the bells at the end of each period is to be generated. A manual override to generate a bell at any time is also provided in the unit. A 4-inch gong electric bell, or, for louder bell volume, a 12-inch gong electric bell can be opted. A model without built-in speaker is also available. The device is programmed through built-in Wi-Fi access point. By connecting phone or laptop to the access point, user can securely log in and program the time, day-wise schedule, and bell duration with little effort. Nspeak Digital School Bell is a versatile device to automate the process of period end bell generation. For more details, please visit this URL or contact us on numbers shown. Thank you.